In order to find the elevation profile for the proposed lot site, you're going to need to once again right-click on the lot that you are looking at, and you're going to see in the drop-down menu that you have the option of hitting Show Elevation Profile. Click Show Elevation Profile, and the elevation profile will actually pop up at the bottom of the Google Earth screen, and you will then notice that whenever you move the mouse left and right, you will see that you are going to be able to see the elevations dropping and lowering as you go through back and forth. So, in order to answer the questions on this worksheet, you're going to see that we have some minimums, averages, maxes of elevations. You're also going to see the slopes right here and here, and you're going to then be able to apply those directly into the worksheet, which later then will be imported into the, inserted directly into the form. So let's go back to the worksheet and let's look at the elevation gain loss. So the elevation gain loss is right here. So that's 18.6. Next question is, what is the highest elevation? Highest elevation can be found right here, 272. The lowest elevation, 253, and the average is 262. So that answers the next couple questions here. So the lowest, the average. What is the average slope? Let's go back. Average slope is identified right here, 6.3. Let's scroll down. And then the last thing that we need to do in our worksheet is to find out the actual latitude and longitude coordinates for each one of the corners of the lot. So there should be 4 individual corners of the lot, unless there is an exception where you have a lot that is on, let's zoom out a little bit, that is one of the 7, 8, 9, or 10. So those lots obviously have more than 4 sides, so that is an exception. So let's go back, let's zoom right back into 3. And what we're going to need to do is we're actually going to go to a corner, and as you can see, you look right here. This is where the latitude and the longitude coordinates will appear as we reach each corner. So move the mouse to the corner and then record what you see as latitude and longitude above. So I'll go to the next corner and then to the next corner. And from each corner you should be able to see the elevation increases and decreases as you go. I'm going to minimize this, or actually close this, and I'm going to zoom in a little bit more and push down on the wheel of the mouse, and you can actually see the elevations. Okay, so you can actually see that lot 3 slopes towards the back of the lot and actually slopes towards Palmer Road for lot 3. So that is some other things that you can do by exaggerating the terrain, which is what you did in the first video that you've seen.